Syllabus and Test Pattern. GTO consists of 5 sections: General Knowledge, Mathematics, Business and Economics, English Comprehension, and Essay Writing. 1. Where is the head office of the UN General Assembly? A. Vienna B, New York C, Paris D, London. 2. Which country hosted 2019 Cricket World Cup? A. Sri Lanka B, India C, England D, West Indies. 3. CIA stands for? A. Central Intelligence America B, Central Intelligence Agency C, Central American Intelligence Agency D, none of the above. 4. Which country is called the land of gold and fiber? A. Maldev B, Bangladesh C, Iran D, Pakistan. 5. FIR stands for? A. Final Indexing Report B, First Information Report C, Field Information Report D, Fact Interrogation Report. 6. GDP stands for? A. Global Demand for Production B, Global Petroleum Corporation C, Gross Domestic Product D, General Demand for Production. 7. What country has 3 official languages? A. Britian B, Japan C, South Africa D, Belgium. 8. Which country has the largest army? A. India B, USA C, China D, Russia. 9. Where is the Attock Refinery? A. Attock B, Rawalpindi C, Swat D, Peshawar. 10. OIC stands for? A. Organization of Islamic Conference B, Organization of Islamic Committee. C. Organization of Islamic Cell D, Organization of Islamic Cooperation. 11. First Battle of Panipat began on? A. April 21st, 1524 B, April 21st, 1525 C, April 21st, 1526 D, April 21st, 1527. 12. How many points are there in badminton? A. 11 B, 21 C, 31 D, 41. 13. Which country is called Land of Snow? A. Switzerland B, Netherlands C, Canada D, Ireland. 14. Pakistan lost the Cricket World Cup final in? A. 1992 B, 1996 C, 1999 D, 2003. 15. Who is known as Napoleon of Asia? A. Hemu Bekal B, Tipu Sultan C, Nadir Shah D, Chandra Bose.